Hi, this is Angelo again with my friend Syed. And today we will do smoking. I will teach him how to smoke. Okay, this cigarette.
I first time smoking.
First time smoking.
First time.
First time. Like that. Do like this, pare, like this. Pare, it's like this.
Can do.
No can do, mapimal. Check this. Okay, you first. Like this now. You try. More. Okay, maybe tomorrow we will learn. Okay, bye. Bye for now, bye. Say goodbye.